Stop scrolling through those easy side hustle videos. Most are selling you a dream, not a realistic plan. This is a no-hype 2025 side hustle tier list. We'll compare gig work, e-commerce, and high-skill hustles, such as AI content creation. By the end of this, you will have a clear framework for picking the right tool to accelerate your debt-free journey. If you're serious about breaking free from debt and building smarter money habits, hit subscribe now. Your financial reset starts here. We're going to analyze the most popular hustles of 2025 across 4 quadrants. I'm not giving you 5 facts, I'm giving you 5 complete breakdowns. Breakdown number 1, the fast cash quadrant, gig and delivery apps. This category includes driving for Uber or Lyft, or delivering for DoorDash or Instacart. The reality is, this is the most accessible hustle. The barrier to entry is low. You need a car or bike and a clean background check. You can sign up and potentially earn your first dollar within a few days. The income data. The make $50 per hour claims are misleading. That's a peak hour best case scenario. A 2024 analysis from independent driver surveys often places the national average closer to $15 to $22 per hour before expenses. The real catch is expenses, gas, insurance, and heavy wear and tear on your vehicle, depreciation. After accounting for these, the net pay is often closer to minimum wage. The verdict as a debt payoff tool? This is a Tier C hustle. It's a financial lifeline, not a wealth builder. It's excellent for the financial triage step we discussed in our debt escape plan, covering your minimum payments or buying groceries if you're unemployed. It is a poor choice for your primary income offensive because it is not scalable. You can only earn more by driving more, and you will eventually run out of time. Breakdown number 2, the skilled service quadrant, online freelancing. This is where you monetize the skills you audited in our 90-day plan: writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, or virtual assistants. The reality is, this is the single best starting point for most people. You're leveraging your brain, not your car. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are your marketplaces. As we discussed, your first client is the hardest to get, but a 5-star review is the key that unlocks higher rates. The income data, this has a massive range, which is its strength. According to Upwork's own 2025 freelance reports, rates are based on skill. A general virtual assistant might start at $25 per hour, but a skilled social media manager can command $50 to $75 per hour. A specialized video editor or graphic designer can bill at $100 or more per hour. Here, income is tied to the value you provide, not just the hours you work. The verdict as a debt payoff tool? This is a Tier A hustle. It has a low startup cost, just a computer, and a high income ceiling. Many freelancers report earning $1,000 plus per month with part-time work, though results vary widely. This is the definition of an income offensive. If these breakdowns shocked you, hit that like button. It tells me you want more real talk about money, not hype. Breakdown number 3, the new tech quadrant, AI content and services. This is a 2025 specific version of the skilled service quadrant. This includes AI-assisted content creation, AI auditing, or prompt engineering for businesses. The reality is, this is the blue ocean opportunity of the moment. Businesses do not just want someone who can type a prompt into a chat model. They want someone who can use AI tools as a co-pilot to produce high-quality, edited, fact-checked, and human-sounding content at 3x the speed of a traditional writer. The skill is not using AI, it's managing AI to produce a final, professional product. The income data, because the skill is new and in high demand, it commands a premium. While a standard blog post writer might earn $150, an AI content strategist who can edit and optimize that content for a brand's voice is billing $75 to $125 per hour. Freelancers on Fiverr are successfully selling custom GPT creation services for businesses for $500 to $2,000 per project. The verdict as a debt payoff tool? This is a Tier A+ hustle. It has the same low cost as freelancing, but an even higher income ceiling due to the massive demand and low supply of true professionals. Learning the skill is a high-leverage investment of your time. Breakdown number 4, the digital product quadrant, Etsy and e-commerce. This is the world of Shopify dropshipping or selling digital downloads on Etsy. The reality is that this is where most gurus sell their dream. They promise passive income. The reality is that this is not a side hustle, it is starting a small business. E-commerce requires a completely different skill set: product research, marketing, ad budget management, customer service, and supply chain logistics. The income data, the failure rate is high. Data from e-commerce platforms often shows that the median seller, the 50th percentile, earns very little. For example, some reports show the average Etsy seller makes under $3,000 per year. The barrier to entry is high, so competition is ferocious. For dropshipping, your primary cost is advertising, which means you often have to spend $1,000 or more on ads before you know if a product is a winner. The verdict as a debt payoff tool? For most people in debt, this is a tier F hustle. It often requires upfront spending that can be risky. Avoid this until you are debt-free. Breakdown number 5, the local service quadrant, the unsexy hustle. This category includes high-value local services, mobile car detailing, power washing, moving services, or local tutoring. The reality is, these are the most slept-on businesses in America. While everyone is fighting for clicks online, the demand for reliable local services is massive. The startup cost is tangible but often low. A professional-grade power washer can be acquired for under $500, and a single house washing job can pay $300 to $600 or more. Here, income is highly scalable. You can start as a solopreneur and charge $50 to $75 per hour. Your first $1,000 can come from just 2 or 3 clients, which you can find through a few well-placed posts in local Facebook groups or simply by knocking on doors. The verdict? This is a tier A hustle. It has a slightly higher startup cost than freelancing, but a much larger local market with less competition. It has a very fast speed to first dollar and a high income ceiling. If you are more hands-on than digital, this is your path. The right hustle is the one that fits your goal. Don't chase passive income fantasies when you're in a financial emergency. Focus on proven, active hustles first. Use gig apps only for immediate survival. Avoid e-commerce until you are debt-free. Build your income offensive with skilled freelancing, AI services, or local services. I'm curious to hear from you. Look at your skill audit from our last video. Which quadrant is the best fit for you and why? What is one question you have about getting your first client in the skilled service or local service quadrant? Drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.